come.
Happy Holy.
Happy Holy.
You want me to go to work like this?
Yes. Happy Holy. Happy Holy.
Let's see, I don't even know what I look like.
You go look at that.
Let me rub yours in. You look like you have one beard.
Eh?
Let me rub yours in. You look like you have one beard.
Bye, not so much. Go rub up on your daddy. Yeah,
Gotta go to work.
Okay. The fun of no.
Fun stuff.
Yeah, fun start. You go prepare what today?
Me? I don't know. If you want to play later, you'll keep that on all day?
Eh?
You'll keep this on all day?
Wow.
Me wanted the other colors, but we don't have other color powder.
Yeah, get them in the store.
How you wipe off my powder?
Yeah, we don't want look like a crazy, me like a zombie.
Okay, see you. Have a great day.
You too.